Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to manage clients with user tags. Tags are great when you want full control inside one school without creating separate spaces. So click to add the tag and start by defining the name, something like organization, client name, and hit enter. Then add the tag. Go to all users, filter your users, select them, and add the tag. Click proceed. And the tag has been added. You can also do it from the bulk actions at the top. This is one way to do it, but let's see how we can automate it. Create an automation. So let's say that perhaps when the user is enrolled in a specific course, then you want to add a specific tag. And you can also add a condition if they have a specific email domain from that organization. Enable it, and the automation is ready. Now, this tag can be used to filter reports, to trigger automations, and to segment users. So always make sure to test the flow by creating a dummy user to confirm that everything works correctly. And that's it. Simple, flexible segmentation without extra setup.